St. Andrews, Riviera Waha, supermarket, sick bay, barber shop, swimming.
From our clean water tanks, water which is rich with natural minerals sourced from over 100 meters underground is taken through purification, where our highly skilled personnel equipped with the modern state-of-the-art laboratory run all standard tests to ensure that purity is 100%. Because at Obibini Blackman Company Limited, quality is our hallmark. Bottling continues immediately in a clean and hygienic environment approved by the Ghana Food and Drugs Authority. Because water is life, but unclean water is definitely no life. After years of research into water purification systems, the result is water that can compete with any other on the international market. Stay healthy and hydrated with the new Zet Natural Mineral Water.
We are back, bringing you the latest lineup from Betway. Betway starts strong with their front two, with free play and swipe bet. In the middle, you've got all the control with cash out and build a bet. Plus, with Win Boost, you can boost your sports bets. At the back, they have smart picks and the partial daily jackpot.
You always get way more with Betway.
Alright, yambo modena yetimi enrollment and twaso na commodity out on yetimi embra. Ti quick one kwegu. For me call na ye birthday special yambo so ntentema. Happy birthday nkwe mama pin friend George Adai. Na Mr. George wo USA. Na wa uni abai friend Stella Amwa. Ewo Asante Agona osini yoda opingeze nyamisha papa na de opebi embra mu. Emfa ema kama pa. Na bibibia so ndeda yentimi emfa maybe romu farmer Jennifer Aje etu ahene mametima no ne wanya 11 years otima unia be ma na si nyamisha pa na onso nyina be pimpa na de opia